Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to knock out excessive background noise that is really loud, and then boost the image of the voice up a little bit. So what you want to do is grab your file, I'm grabbing it from the other monitor, and drag it in and drop it off. Okay. This shows all the noise that's in it. This is how bad this is. Let me play it for you.
Alright. Okay. The Federal Fair Housing Act prevents landlords from discriminating against tenants due to their familiar, family, or whatever status. This means that a landlord cannot refuse to rent his property to families with children, but not all properties are suitable for large families. For certain homes, the Housing and Urban Development will approve a two-person per bedroom.
That's how bad the background noise is. Some of it you can't even tell what he's saying. So we're going to adjust that and hit the home button. Here it is, extract channel to mono file. It's going to be just a single file. This will be a little easier to work with. And let me make it a little bit bigger. Right.
Alright.
It's going to back it up just a little bit. Right there. Let's highlight that. Let's go up to effects, noise reduction, noise print. Okay, now it's saved it. Let's double click it to select the whole thing. Go back up here to effects. Go down to noise reduction and click on noise reduction. Okay, this is the default window here. Let's listen to it like it is.
The Federal Fair Housing Act prevents landlords from discriminating.
That's how it sounded before.
Against tenants due to their familiar, family.
Big difference, huh? Just taking that out.
Or whatever status. This means that a landlord cannot refuse to rent his property to families.
You can also adjust these sliders down here
With children, but not all properties are suitable for large families. For certain homes, the Housing and Urban Development will approve a two-person per bedroom occupancy limit, which would prevent a family of 3 or more from living in a one-bedroom apartment. Certain states and cities have their own occupancy rules. It is unlawful for landlords to discriminate against families with children unless the subject property is specifically designated
this
for
is
senior
now.
citizens.
That sounds pretty good.
For senior citizens, HUD permits.
Okay, let's go ahead and hit apply for that. And it's working. Now we're going to add a little base to it. We're going to leave it highlighted and go up here to effects. Go down here to filters and click on this top one. Okay. This is a preset one that I did earlier, which shows it to be custom now. I couldn't save it. But I found that this one here, if you pause it, you can copy it down and get kind of an idea here. Let me show each one of these. That's where that node is set. Where that node is set. These are the megahertz for the nodes and the base. But this is what it sounds like now.
Alright. The Federal Fair Housing Act prevents landlords from discriminating against tenants due to their familiar, family, or whatever status.
I'll turn the volume down just a little bit.
This means that a landlord cannot refuse to rent his property to families with children, but not all properties are suitable for large families. For certain homes, the Housing and Urban Development will approve a two.
That is a big difference from, let me open up the original again in another program.
The Federal Fair Housing Act prevents landlords from discriminating against tenants due to their familiar
to this.
Person bedroom, 2 person per bedroom occupancy limit, which would.
And we're going to click apply. Let's listen to it.
Prevent a family of 3 or more from.
Let me hit the home button on here. Now I'm making it.
Alright. I'll go. The Federal Fair Housing Act.
I make it a home button. Let me take a little more of that out right there. I'm taking that part there out. I'm going to go back up here to effects. Copy that. Select the whole thing. Go back up to effects. Noise reduction. Alright. Let's play it and listen to it.
Alright. I'll go. The Federal Fair Housing Act prevents landlords from discriminating against tenants due to their familiar family or whatever status. This means that a landlord cannot refuse to rent his property to families with children.
That sounds better, don't it?
But not all properties are suitable for large families. For certain homes, the Housing and Urban Development will approve a 2-person bedroom, 2 person per bedroom occupancy limit. Alright. I'll go. The Federal Fair Housing Act prevents landlords from discriminating against tenants due to their familiar family or whatever status. This means that a landlord cannot refuse to rent his property to families with children, but not all properties are suitable for large families. For certain homes, the Housing and Urban Development will approve a 2-person bedroom, 2 person per bedroom occupancy limit. Alright.
Hear all that noise?
The Fair Housing Act prevents landlords from discriminating against tenants due to their familiar family or whatever status.
This is where I moved it
This
to.
means that a landlord cannot refuse to rent his property to families with children, but not all properties are suitable for large families. For certain homes,
I think that's going to do it. I'm hitting apply. I am going to export this. And that's that. Alright guys, if you got something, a lot of noise in the background, excessive noise. Now here's another one. Let me let you play this one. Listen.
If I got to do a legal eviction on you, that's going to be on your record.
Hear it, background
So
noise.
you may not want. I'm going to give you 3 days or 4 days to get out.
Alright guys, that's it. Thanks. Alright guys, tell them where you seen it at. If you like it, like it. And if you want to stay in touch, subscribe. We'll stay in touch. I'll even go check out your channel. Talk to you later. Bye.